Commandment number 1. Thou shalt not use a computer to harm other people. This commandment says that it is unethical to use a computer to harm another user. Commandment states that it's wrong to use a computer to steal someone's personal information. Manipulating or destroying files of other users is ethically wrong. Commandment number 2. Thou shalt not interfere with other people's computer work. It is simply put, do not use computer technology to cause interference in another user's work. Computer software can be used in ways that disturb other users or disrupt their works. Viruses, for example, are programs meant to harm useful computer programs or interfere with the normal functioning on a computer. Malicious software can disrupt the functioning of computers in more ways than one. It may overload computer memory through excessive consumption of computer resources, thus slowing its functioning. Commandment number 3. Thou shalt not snoop around in other people's computer files. Do not spy on another person's computer data. We know it is wrong to read someone's personal letters. On the same lines, it is wrong to read someone else's email messages or files. Obtaining data from another person's private files is nothing less than breaking into someone's room. Snooping around in another person's files or reading someone else's personal messages is the invasion of his privacy. There are exceptions to this. For example, spying is necessary and cannot be called unethical when it is done against a legitimate use of computers. Commandment number 4. Thou shalt not use a computer to steal. Simply put, do not use computer technology to steal information. Stealing sensitive information or leaking confidential information is as good as robbery. It is wrong to acquire personal information of employees from an employee database or patient history from a hospital database or other such as information that is meant to be confidential. Commandment number 5. Thou shalt not use a computer to bear false witness. Simply put, do not contribute to the spread of misinformation using computer technology. This also means that false news or rumors can spread speedily through social networking sites or emails. Spread of information has become viral today because of the internet. Commandment number 6. Thou shalt not copy or use proprietary software for which you have not paid without permission. Like any other artistic or literary work, software is copyrighted. A piece of code is the original work of the individual who created it. It is copyrighted in his or her name. In case of a developer writing software for the organization she works for, the organization holds the copyright for it. Commandment number 7. Thou shalt not use other people's computer resources without authorization or proper compensations. Do not use someone else's computer resources unless authorized to. Multi-user system have user-specific passwords.
Ito yung file na kailangan. Hindi niya pa naipasa. Kunin ko na kaya. Hindi na ipapasa ko.
Commandment number 8. Thou shalt not appropriate other people's intellectual output. Programs developed by a software developer are her property. If he is working with an organization, they are the organization's property. Copying them and propagating them in one's own name is unethical. Commandment number 9. Thou shalt not think about the social consequences of the program you are writing or the systems you are designing. Before developing a software, think about the social impact it can have. Looking at the social consequences that a program can have describes a broader perspective of looking at technology. A computer software on release reaches millions. Software like video games and animations or educational software can have a social impact on their users.
Dagdagan ko kaya ng kwento itong balita para mas kapani-paniwala. Pero pwede itong magdulot ng gulo at makasakit sa ibang tao at sa lipunan. Mag-iisip na lang ako ng exact information at yun ang idadagdag ko para hindi makasakit sa ibang tao at magdulot ng gulo sa lipunan.
Commandment number 10. Thou shalt not always use a computer in ways that ensure consideration and respect for the other humans. Simply put, in using computers for communication, be respectful and courteous with the fellow members. The communication etiquette we follow in the real world applies to communication over computers as well. While communicating over the internet, one should treat others with respect. One should not intrude others' private space, use abusive languages, make false statements, or pass irresponsible remarks about others. One should be courteous while communicating over the web and should respect others' time and resources. Also, one should be considerate with novice computer users.